శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో ఎంబీఏ, నాక్ ఏ గ్రేడ్ మరియు ఐఎస్ఓ సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ త్వరలో అటానమస్ కాబోతోంది.
2014లో ఐఎస్ఓ గుర్తింపు, 2015లో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వంచే ఏ గ్రేడ్, 2016లో నాక్ ఏ గ్రేడ్, ఇప్పుడు ఎన్బీఏ సాధించిన సంస్థ శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్.
In this presentation, we are going to study the Quine-Merkles scheme minimization techniques or tabulation method. It is very, very important in our curriculum point of view and also exam point of view. It is only based on the tabular forms. We have already discussed in the K-maps. Those are related to SOP form and POS forms. We are using K-maps for 2 variable, 4 variable, 5 variable K-maps, and also we are using Boolean algebra. It is very, very important in this Boolean algebra. This technique are based on the computer simplification. Use this technique for designing the very complex digital system. We need to base up the important term is prime implicant and essential prime implicant. Before we are moving the topic, we are discussing the prime implicant and essential prime implicant. Prime implicant. We have already studied in implicant K-map structure. Implicant is nothing but the group of ones. Prime implicant is the largest possible group of ones. Essential prime implicant is prime implicant at least one min-terms. It can be depends on the K-map. So example, we are taking one example. Based on that example, we are solving. So y of a comma b comma c comma d equal to sigma m 0 1 3 7 8 9 10 11 15. We are taking one small example. So that example we are solving the tabulation method. So it is very, very easy. In JNTK curriculum pattern, it is a direct 15 marks question. So it is also very, very important. This example we can using only tabular method. So these problems are only possible only SOP form. So here we are taking 4 variable. So because A, B, C, D are the 4 digits, we have observed 0 to 15 digits are there. So that means 4 variable K-map. First we are designing the tabular form. So first this values we can represented using binary value. That means each value can represented 8421. So we are writing the binary value zeros by using binary values. 0 it can be represented in zeros and ones. 1 it can be represented in zeros and 1. 3 also it can be represented in zeros and 1. Based on the 8421 code, we are writing the all values binary representation. Binary means either 0 or 1 it will be the positive. First this is the it has follows the step number 1. We are make a table and we are designing the tabular form. All min terms, first we are designing the first number of zeros is possible. First observe the how many zeros are there in values, how many ones are there in the problem, how many 2 ones are there in the problem, how many 3 ones are there in the problem, how many 3 ones are there in the problem, how many 4 ones are there in the problem. We have observed based on that. So in zeros, all zeros are there. First one is the 1 1 is there and again 8 position 1 1 is there. So those 2 1 and 8 we can write one place. So this is the step 1. This is the step 1. We are writing the tabular. So first we are writing the table. So based on the table we are solving the problem. So designing. First we are writing the first column. We have writing the group number. Second column we are writing the min term. Third column we are writing the binary representation. A, B, C, D are the inputs. So we are writing A, B, C, D. So first we are taking group. That means first note down the number of 0. 0 will be the all zeros. So this is the min term of 0. We are writing all zeros are there. We are writing so min term m0. We are min term. We are m is the min term. We are writing. So based on that 0 we can represent it 8421. So that is the first one. Next we are writing the number of ones. We are writing one place. So only 1 1 is there in 1th position, and 8 also 1 1. So we are writing m1 and m8. We are writing 0001 1000. Next one in group 2 ones are there. We have observed in 3 min term we have 2 1, and again 9 having 2 ones, remaining all are 3 1. So we are writing 3 and 8 in one position. Group number 2 we are writing m3 3 m9. So we are representing the binary 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 we are writing. Next one we have group 3. We have observed min term 3 ones are there in 7th position, 3 ones. 11 will having 3 ones. So we are at 7 m7 m11. We are writing binary representation 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. Next 4 ones are also there. Group number 4. So 4 numbers are there. m15 4 1 m15. We are writing 4 ones. This is the step 1. You have observed here. First step is the dividing the first 0. All number of zeros we can write one position. Next one is the note down the 1 is there in BCD code. Note down the ones. So 2 1 3 1. Next is the same thing, step 2. Step 2 we are writing the same tabular form. Again we are designing the table again. So again we are first one is the group. Again third column is the binary representation A, B, C, D, and the second column I will have max term. Second term is the max term. So sorry, matched pair. That is the matched pair. We are matching the pairs based on the step 1. We are matched the pair. That means in comparing 1 to zeros, we are comparing the 1 and m0. We are comparing m1, m8, m3, m9, m11, m7, m15. So in match paired is nothing but only one value will be the different. So one value, in case we are matching the zeros and 1, only one value will be the different. That is the matched pair. In case two values will be different, that is not unmatched pair. So first we are comparing m0 to m1. So we have observed clearly m0 m1 we are comparing. M0 all zeros are there, m1 0 0 1. So m1 0 0, here we are one different term will be there in the right hand side. 0 1 will be the different changing, will be the changed values. Remaining 3 values are will be the same page. So based on we are writing group number 0, we are writing m0 m1 we are writing. So 0 0 0 underscore dash will be the matched pair. Again in the same manner we are comparing again m0 m1. So 0 1 will be the different, 0 0 underscore we are writing the different is the 0 1. So in that different is the we are writing the underscore. Again we are comparing 0 and 8. Again we are comparing same that procedure we have observed. So m0 m8 we are comparing. So m0 m8 only one term will be the different. So m0 m8 only one term will be the different, that is the dash 0 0 0. Again one will comparing in third. So that is the group 0 position. Again we are comparing m1 m8 in the m1 we are comparing third and ninth position. M8 also comparing third and ninth position. First we have to comparing m1 m3. So in this also only one position will be the different. We are note down the one value and two value. Here only one position is the different. So it is possible. So group 1 m1 m3 0 0 underscore 1. So in the same manner m1 m9 also we are comparing. So 0 0 0 1 m9 1 0 0 1, only one position is different. So we are note down the m1 m9 underscore 0 0 1. So again m8 we are comparing m3. So m8 m3 we are comparing, m8 m9 also we are comparing. So m8 m3 we are comparing. It is only one possible state. In the same manner we are comparing m8. In the same manner we are comparing m8 values will be the m8 values will be the 1 0 0 0. m3 values will be the 0 0 1 1. Here also difference is there. Here also difference will be there. Both values also will be different. So this is the invalid matching. So next same manner we are comparing m8 m9. So m8 1 0 0 0, m9 1 0 0 1. Here one possible is there. So you have observed this is the difference. So we are note down the m8 m9 1 0 0 underscore. ఇప్పుడు in this manner first 0 will be compared, all zeros will be compared, only one different. One is placed, that one will be compared in the two ones. Two ones will be compared in 3 1. 3 ones will be compared in 4 1. We have to observe again 2 ones we are comparing. M3 we are comparing M7. M3 again comparing M11. M9 again comparing M7. M9 again comparing M11. So we have to observe M3. M3 is the 0 0 1 1. So again M7 0 1 1 1. Here this position will be the different. So we are writing the M3 M7 0 underscore 1 1. In the same manner again we are comparing. M3 is the 0 0 1 1. Again M11 1 0 1 1. Here this one will be the different. So underscore m3 m11 underscore, so it is also possible. Again 9 we are comparing 7, so 9, this is the value of 9, 1 0 0 1 7 0 1 1 1. Here three values are different, so this is the invalid. So again we are comparing 9 in 11, so this is the value of 1 0 0 1 9 and 11 1 0 1 1. Here one difference is there, so this is the possible. So 1 0 underscore 1 m9 m11. So in the same manner we are comparing m7 m15 m11 m15. So m7, so this is the value of 7. Again m15 1 1 1 1, this is the possible state, so this is matched, we are writing. So m7 m15 underscore 111. Again m11 that means 0 1 1 1 m11 1 1 1 1, this is the possible condition. So 1 underscore 111, so those are also in possible. So you have observed those are also in possible. This is the step 2. Again we are comparing step 3 is, it is also very important. Again we are designing the tabular form, group, matched pairs and binary represent. Here only one difference there. Again we are taking 2 bits positions, we are comparing. First we have 0 1, we are comparing. We have observed in that 0 1 here bit dash is there, we have observed. So in the fourth bit position we have a underscore. So again we have observed this is also fourth bit position, we have underscore. Comparing 0 1, values will be the 0 0 0 underscore. Here also dash is there, that value will be the m8 m9. So 8 9, those values will be 1 0 0 underscore. So you have observed here dash will be matched, 0 0 will be matched, 0 0. Here this is the different position. So 0 1 8 9, we have observed 0 1 8 9 underscore 0 0 underscore. This is the one matching pair. So this is the one matching pair. So based on that 0 1 8 9, here how many possible conditions are there, I will tell you clearly. Please observe. 0 1 also there, first note down 0 1. Again 0 8 also there, 0 8. Again so 0 9 also there, we have observed 0 9 also there, 0 9. Again we have to observe 1 8 also there, 1 8 1 9. So those conditions we will not comparing, because we have already occurred in the 0 1 8 9 condition. Again we are taking 0 8, here already this will be repeated, 1 9 also will be repeated. We have observed, we have getting same condition. So that's why we are we are unable to note down this, because it is the time wasting process. 0 8 will be here in the first comparison, 1 9 will be here, so we are getting same value, that's why we are unable to take. Again we are comparing, we have observed again 0 8, this is the, we are not comparing. We have observed 0 8, we are not comparing. 1 3 we are not getting the first equation, so note down the 1 3 equation, 0 0 underscore 1, this is the value of 1 3. So again we have to observe 1 3 0 0 underscore, in third position underscore there, so this is the third position underscore, we are note down that value 1 0 underscore 1. This one will be same, so here difference is there, so we are note down the 1 3 and 9 11, we are note down. So m1 m1 m3 m9 m11, so we are comparing underscore 0 underscore 1, we are writing underscore 0 underscore 1, we are here how many possible conditions are there? I will tell you. 1 3 9 11. Here 1 3 are there, 1 9 are there, 1 11 are there, 3 9 are there, 3 11 are there, 9 11 are there. So those are the possible conditions. So that's why we are not comparing anyone. So next we have to observe the, so m1 m9 already we are getting, m8 m9 already we are getting, m3 m7 we are not getting. So we are taking this value comparison of, so we are getting the, this is the third step. So those are the prime implicant values. We are writing b bar c bar. So b bar d, c d we are writing. So next min terms. So we are next we are writing min terms involved. So what are the min terms involved in BCD? So that is the value of 0. So you have observed that 0, 1, 8, 9 are involved. So we are note down the values 0, 1, 8, 9. So b bar c, b bar d also 1, 3, 9, 11. We are note down the value 1, 3, 9, 11. So c bar d we are observe, note down the value 3, 7, 11, 15. 3, 7, 11, 15. We are note down the value. So based on that values, we are observing the what is our the first problem is the problem we have observed. So we are taking one example, that is the values of 0, 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 15. We are note down the step 4, those values we are note down, and in the final step we are note down 0, 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 15 we are note down. So we have observed what are the values are there. 0 is there, so in that 0 we are writing representing the value. So x we are indicating. So 1 also there we are indicating x, 8 also there we are indicating x, 9 also there we are indicating x. In the same manner we are indicating the what are the values are there on that places we are indicating the x values. So we are representing the x values on that on that position. So this is also we are so designing. So in only one x we are designing the tabular form. So designing, so we have observed in that position only one x is there. So there is no values in that 0 position. Note down that value. Here 2x are there, we don't want to note down those values. Next here 1x is there, we are note down. 8th position 1x is there, we are note down. In 15th position also 1x is there, we are note down. So those in 0 position 8th, those are in column wise. Those values will be indicated 0, 1, 8, 9. That is the value of y equal to b bar c bar. In the same thing 7 and 15 also indication of c plus d. That is our final equation. So this is the very important. So our answer will correct or not, we are checking using the k map. Also we are representing those values, we are k mapping, and simplification also. So that is 4 variable k map we are representing. So we are representing 4 variable k map. So our answer is correct or not, this is the cross verification. So a b c d. So our 0 will be there in that 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So we are representing the values. So 0 we are representing 1 is there, again 3 is there, 3, and here 0 means that value 2 is not there. So that's why we are representing the zeros. So that is your wish, we are representing or not representing, there is no problem. So we are representing one that is the one we are representing me, that value will be there provided in the problem. So here we have to observe. So here 4 ones are there, so we are grouping the 4 ones. I was already discussed. So and corner mapping also we are discussing. So we are getting 2 equation. So we are first position and second position we are simplifying. So we are getting the we have observed we are getting the and the final answer A C D also we are getting. Again we are getting B C plus BC plus B bar D bar, exactly. So that is the cross verification. Also it is one of the cross verification method. So this is the tabulation method. It is also very important in a exam point of view, and so many times frequently asked question. So we are next class we are discussing the another topic. So thank you to one and all.